I always mess this up. I'm so bad at English.
Wait, did you hear how you talked to yourself just now?
I say one small mistake and my head says, "You are stupid."
That sentence hurts more than the mistake.
Many English learners speak like this to themselves every day. Today, we stop negative self-talk and change it to strong English.
By the end, you will say confident English sentences about yourself. Like the video and subscribe. Let's start.
Okay, real life. Yesterday, I spoke English at a shop.
What happened?
I said the wrong word. Then I thought, I am terrible. I can't speak English.
Stop. That is the problem sentence.
Yes, it comes fast, like a bad habit.
Let's slow it down. Listen carefully. I made a mistake.
That sounds softer.
Now, at this part, I am learning.
I made a mistake. I am learning.
Good. Pause the video and say it with me, learners. I made a mistake. I am learning. Exactly. Nice.
Wow, that sentence feels calm.
Because it is true. Everyone makes mistakes.
But sometimes I say worse things.
Tell me.
I will never be good at English.
Ouch, that sentence closes your future.
Yes, it feels heavy.
Let's open it. Try this. I am getting better every day.
I am getting better every day.
Great rhythm. Now pause the video and say it with us, learners. I am getting better every day. Perfect.
My brain likes bad sentences.
Your brain needs better English food.
Okay, another real moment.
Go on.
I listen to native speakers. They speak fast. They are too good. I am weak.
Let's fix that. Say this instead. They have more practice than me.
They have more practice than me.
Nice, calm, and logical.
It feels fair.
Exactly. Repeat with me, learners. They have more practice than me. Yes.
Notice something. These sentences are simple.
Simple sentences are powerful, and they are kind.
So English can change how I feel.
Yes, words guide feelings.
What about when I forget a word?
That is common.
My English is broken.
No, try this. I don't know this word yet.
I don't know this word yet.
Yes, great work, Emily. Now pause and say the full sentence, learners. I don't know this word yet. Good job.
Let's practice 3 strong sentences. Say them with us, learners. 1. I made a mistake. I am learning.
2. I am getting better every day.
3. I don't know this word yet. I feel more relaxed now.
Relaxed English is better English.
Let's test it. New situation.
Okay?
You speak English to me. Fast.
Sure. Ready?
Yes.
Can you tell me where the station is?
I am bad.
Stop. New sentence.
I need a moment. I am learning.
Beautiful. Very natural.
I can say that in real life?
And soon, you will say one more powerful sentence. Stay with us, learners.
Sometimes the voice is very strong.
Yes, but your new voice can be stronger.
How?
By repetition.
Again?
Again. I speak English with confidence.
I speak English with confidence.
Slow and clear. Pause and say it alone, learners. I speak English with confidence. Amazing.
Today, we stopped negative self-talk.
You learned kind, strong English sentences. Now you can talk to yourself in English and feel calm and confident.
Comment one sentence you liked today. Practice it every day. Subscribe for more real English.
You are learning, and you are doing great.
See you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye-bye, learners.